Hi there everyone, Josiah here with Womprat Creations with a quick announcement for you guys. The Mandalorian Season 2 is happening right now while I'm filming. We're on Season 2 where I'm at right now. This might be coming out a little later, but in my point in time it is Episode 2, Season 2 of The Mandalorian. And spoilers ahead if you guys aren't still up on the show. So turn this off and go watch Season 2 if you haven't already, because spoilers ahead. For those of you who have, Boba Fett's back, and I couldn't be more excited about it. It got me so excited about Boba Fett that I decided to do a bit of a series here on the channel. And so I'm going to call that the Boba Fett Lineage series. And so what I'm going to be doing for this series is I am going to make the helmet from every incarnation of Boba Fett that we have at the moment. I'm talking all the way from concept designs to holiday special to every movie, all the way up to The Mandalorian. And I cannot tell you how excited I am to get started on this project. I think it'll be a really cool thing to have all of those helmets and be able to hold them and just see the progression of how one goes from a concept design to a more refined concept all the way through to a final production costume. And so I'm not going to be doing the full costumes for these because that's a lot. Any of you guys who have taken on a Boba Fett costume build knows that it is an intense exercise in exactness, and there's so many great little bits and bobs everywhere. There's a lot of details to get right, so I'm not going to do that. But the helmets, that's what I'm going to do, and it's still going to be quite a project. It's going to be quite a journey, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. So if you aren't already, make sure that you go subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on the progress for these. They're not going to be back to back. I'm going to shoot for one a month, but like I said, these are pretty involved builds as they go on. So I'm going to do my best to keep them frequent. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any of that. Thanks, guys.